Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Keep the Door Locked Anonymously. I didn't pronounce that right, but let's get started. I don't give a fuck. Find a room. Oh, let's just play this by ourselves, because, yeah. Enable this. Okay, let's just do that. Wait, what is that? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no.
Welcome to our hotel. We have prepared a suite for you.
Oh, really?
Rest to your heart's content and make sure to obey the rules. The hotel has a strict no refund policy under any circumstances. Good luck. And we hope you see the sunrise again.
Girl, why throw the key like that? Like, hello? Okay. Ooh. It looks so comfy. Okay, let's do this. Hotel safety rules: read before sleeping. Bathroom monster, never sleep alone. Door knocker. Check the door before open. Outside, check the window. Stay away. The hotel is never safe. What the fuck is? Oh my gosh, that's scary.
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left? So, keep your door locked tonight, yeah? Somebody...
Yeah, whatever. Freak, that scared me. I could sleep on the floor. There's no AC out there. I could sleep on the floor, there's no AC. Okay, bye, girl. Comment. Where he at? There he is. Day one. Ooh, day two. Okay. Okay, girl, stop, dang. Oh, he must have went back to his room. Let's clean this. What else? Can we turn the light on? It's already on. It's just so...
You're still here.
Duh.
Wow. Okay. That's great. Most folks don't make it past the first night. Good for you.
Mm-hmm.
So, look, same deal as last night. Door stays shut. Don't believe anybody out there. It gets worse the longer you stay, just so you know.
Okay, well, let's ignore that. What's on the laptop? Ooh. Ooh. Hello? I hope I'm playing this right. What the heck? That's creepy. Can I open this? No. No, he look crazy. No. Yeah, because he looked too creepy. I don't like that smile. Ooh, let's open. Girl. What? It's open, something is moving in the hall. Oh. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna let him in. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, he right there. Wait, I forgot what turning graphics quality down. Oh, what the frick was that? I seen that. What the frick was that? Okay, but now I'm not about to let anybody in because Why are they leaving trash everywhere? Okay, dang girl, stop. Ooh. This open is still, bruh, it's still nighttime. What the freak? Who's that? Oh, I don't like that. Let's check the laptop. Oh, yo. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Could come out any moment. You're very dangerous. How do I know you're not dangerous? Should I open the door, y'all? Because I hate spiders. Bruh, y'all just wanted to sleep in here. Y'all didn't even want to check no freak. I'm scared. Maybe that was right. Get up, get up, get up, bro. Get up, bro. It's right there. It's right freaking there. Please get up. How the freak am I so... I don't even like it. No, I don't like it. Okay. Bro, how do I freaking check the, how do I check the laptop? I guess I can go to sleep. Ooh, yay, 4th day. Okay, let's clean. Let's check our, where, maybe we can't check it. Let's go to the laptop. Hello? Is it, okay. Can I turn? Oh shoot, what the freak? What the freak? I don't want to touch anything, I just need to hide until then. Okay, fine. What the hell? Why is words turning? I guess, bro. I guess just gonna go to sleep. Sleepy time. Okay, well. Okay. Oh, shh. Yeah, I'm not letting nobody in. Oh my freaking gosh. Yo, what? Okay, let's try this again. We know who to avoid. We know to avoid the old man with the yellow freaking sweater. Bro, I felt bad for him because he was old. Now I'm not feeling bad because what the heck?
Welcome to our...
Yeah, I already know. Who freak? Okay, I already know about this one. Oh shoot.
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left?
Yeah, bruh. So we know to avoid the guy with the freak. We know to avoid the guy with the Let me get some sleep. Girl, please think again. Oh, I kind of felt bad. Maybe I should have let him stay. Who the freak is that now? Someone to die in this hallway? Fine. Wait, he said the same thing the woman said. Bruh. Ew, what is that? Bro, I need to stop trusting people. Okay, so he was a good guy, but I didn't like the way that thing went on my bed, because what the freak? Is that open? La la la, I already know. Let's see who's at my doorway now. Let me see. Anybody in my doorway? Oh, yeah, honey, I'm not letting you in. No shade. No. We are not alone. Thanks for the tip, honey, but you're still not coming in that room. I mean, you're still not coming in my room, because what the heck? What the freak? Wait a minute. I'm scared to go back out. Fine. Just let me out, won't this out? Get up now. Okay, get out. Shoot. Okay, she was safe. Oh, this stupid alarm. What's in here? It's not for hiding. Oh. Shoot, girl. What the freak? Oh yeah, I know them. The spiders. Two spider guys. Bro, I think they just want an excuse to sleep in my room. Okay. Wait, why can I not check? Okay. Wait, I need to turn it up a bit because I really can't hear nothing. Okay, there we go. Let's open up a window. Oh, nothing suspicious. Who is this? Fine. Oh shoot. No, I made a mistake. Oh. I made a mistake. Shoot. Day 4. I mean day 5. Oh my freaking. Oh shoot. You should check my office. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hate this game. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video here.